Hello and welcome. I'm SM and today I invite you to experience Kashmir in winter, a land transformed into a realm of pure white and profound silence. For a few months each year, the valleys and peaks of Kashmir become a breathtaking spectacle, where snow blankets the earth and the air sparkles with frost. In this film, we'll explore 5 of the most captivating destinations in this winter wonderland, each with its own unique story. From frozen lakes to snow-laden forests and soaring peaks, we'll discover why Kashmir has long been called paradise on earth. Let's begin our adventure into the heart of the Himalayas. Our journey begins in Gulmarg, the meadow of flowers, now a world sculpted by snow and silence. In winter, the meadows vanish beneath a vast expanse of white, and Mount Afawat towers above, calling adventurers to its legendary powder slopes. Gulmarg is a global destination for skiing and snowboarding, with the Gulmarg Gondola, one of the world's highest cable cars, offering breathtaking ascents. As you rise, dense pine forests give way to stark alpine vistas, revealing the sheer scale of the Himalayas. From the summit, ice-crowned peaks pierce the horizon, and skiers carve fleeting paths on pristine slopes. But Gulmarg isn't just for thrill-seekers. Walk through enchanted forests, where snow bends pines into graceful arches and silence reigns. Here, the only sound is the crunch of snow underfoot, a sanctuary of peace and beauty. Gulmarg is more than a resort. It's a place where the raw power of winter is balanced by profound tranquility. Whether you seek adventure or solace, this is a paradise of snow and serenity. To be here is to feel both humbled and uplifted by nature's grandeur. Gulmarg in winter is truly unforgettable. Next, we travel to Pahalgam, the Valley of Shepherds, now resting in winter's embrace. The Lidar River, once wild, is tamed by ice, and the valley holds its breath in peaceful slumber. Towering pine and fir forests are transformed, each branch encased in delicate frost, creating a scene of intricate beauty. Walking here is an immersive experience, profound silence broken only by the wind or the soft fall of snow. Sunlight filters through the canopy, illuminating glittering ice crystals and casting long blue shadows. Pahalgam invites quiet contemplation, rewarding patience with subtle wonders, a fox's tracks, frost flowers, and the gentle rhythm of winter life. The town itself is storybook-like, with snow-laden roofs and smoke curling from chimneys. Life adapts and endures in harmony with the season's demands. Pahalgam in winter is an escape into serene beauty, a place to reconnect with nature and oneself. Here, peace lingers long after the snow has settled. Our path leads to Sonamarg, the Meadow of Gold, now transformed into a kingdom of ice and silver. In winter, the valley glitters under the sun, its landscape sheathed in crystalline snow. Sonamarg is the gateway to the high Himalayas, a starting point for winter treks and true adventure. The journey here is a challenge, roads often close under heavy snow, adding to the sense of expedition. The Tajiwas Glacier dominates the landscape, a formidable river of ice moving imperceptibly through the mountains. For those who venture onto the frozen meadows, the silence is vast and the air crystal clear. Jagged peaks seem close enough to touch, etched against a deep blue sky. Sonamarg is a place of extremes, piercing cold, dazzling light, and raw, elemental beauty. It's not for the faint of heart, but for the intrepid. It offers an unparalleled Himalayan experience. Here you walk among pure forces of nature, witnessing a meadow of gold reborn as a realm of ice. Sonamarg in winter is wild, majestic, and unforgettable. We now arrive in Srinagar, the heart of the Kashmir Valley, where winter brings a quiet, contemplative beauty. The Mughal gardens, usually vibrant, are now sketched in white, their fountains frozen and terraces draped in snow. Dal Lake, the soul of Srinagar, transforms into a misty mirror, sometimes freezing over in the coldest months. The city's pulse slows, and a profound stillness settles over the water, broken only by the call of a bird or the creak of a houseboat. Life continues in ornate houseboats, where warmth and tradition offer refuge from the cold. A shikara ride across the winter lake is unforgettable, the boatman breaking ice, gliding through muted colors and silent beauty. The gardens too reveal a stark elegance with ancient china trees dusted in snow. Srinagar in winter is resilient, drawing warmth from community and tradition. It's a more intimate, authentic Kashmir, far from the summer crowds. Here, you glimpse the deep connection between people and the valley's powerful rhythms. To experience Srinagar in winter is to witness the enduring spirit of Kashmir. It's a city that finds beauty and life, even in the quietest season. Our final destination is Betab Valley, a place of cinematic beauty and winter magic. In winter, the valley becomes a secluded amphitheater of untouched snow, its contours softened and sound muffled. The journey follows the turquoise Lidar River, with steep forested walls creating a sense of intimacy and seclusion. Here, snow lies in deep, unblemished drifts, and trees become abstract sculptures of wind and frost. The only sounds are nature's own. The river's gurgle, the wind's whisper, the distant cry of an eagle. Standing in Betab Valley, you're enveloped by mountains and silence, immersed in a panorama of winter's majesty. The scale is grand, yet the feeling is one of serene containment. Betab Valley embodies Kashmir's winter magic, breathtaking, peaceful, and deeply moving. It's the perfect conclusion to our journey through this symphony of snow and ice. And so, our journey through Kashmir's winter heart comes to an end. We've witnessed meadows of white, silent forests and frozen lakes, a land of beauty and peace. The magic of Kashmir in winter lingers, a memory of silence and light that stays with you. I hope you'll one day experience this for yourself. Share your stories in the comments below. Thank you for joining me. Until our next journey, farewell.